How to set up a joint account on Robinhood. Make sure both people have Robinhood accounts. You can't open a joint account unless both of you already have individual Robinhood accounts. As for the first steps, one person starts the joint account setup. Open the Robinhood app, then tap the person icon on the bottom right, then select Add Account, then tap Joint Investing. And then, invite your co-owner. Enter the email address linked to the other person's Robinhood account. They'll receive an invite to join the joint account. Next, as the co-owner completes their part, the invited person needs to open the invite, log into their account, and fill in the required info to confirm the partnership. Then Robinhood reviews the application. This usually takes 5 to 7 business days. You'll both get updates via email. And once approved, fund your joint account. You can move money from your personal Robinhood accounts into the joint account to start investing together. And that was it for this video. I hope this helps you out, but that was it. See you again in the next video.